Alright, so today Tyler is gonna make, what is this?
Tawny top or a bikini top?
A bikini top. For all the OGs that remember.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun. The feeling we chase. I'm wide awake. Take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy. Making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
Said his dad.
I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. Wherever we go, we're taking control. The future is ours now. The road never ends. It's me and my friends. These are the good times. And I'm feeling like I could go on forever. And I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy.
Hopefully we're going to be finishing up this top today. Realistically, the only thing we really need to do is put some snaps along here. That way we finish up these edges, and then we're going to do these straps back here with these adjustable straps, or I don't know what they are. They're kind of like ratchet straps, but they look a little bit nicer. So we're going to modify those to fit here, and that way it's adjustable, and I can actually make sure that thing is super taut. That way it doesn't blow around in the wind like the last one did. As long as they understand kind of what's going on.
Ooh, topaz.
But we can show you that. What this thing does down here is it's almost like a rivet, and it just flares it out and holds this onto there. We're gonna take this all off and do this properly. These usually have like a clip that can clip onto those, but they broke because I tried using them in the vise to get it down all the way. You can leave them like this. This is good enough. I just want to make sure it's really clamped down and pinch this material nice and good. But we really only have one more on this side, and then we have to do the other side, and then we can make this thing as taut as possible. The only thing that does suck about this that I remember last time is because they have the snaps.
Yeah.
You hear that.
I was gonna say that.
Down the road. So what I was gonna do that I never ended up doing because the other one deteriorated so quickly because it was different material. This one may do it as well, so I'm not sure yet. I was gonna just put super glue in there just to stop it, but the whole point is that it looks nice on the outside. So I finished this up, and we also did this a little bit nicer. I don't know what to call it. It's not really ratchet strap, but it is adjustable because this thing does stretch over time. But you see it's pretty nice here. I still have to do the other side and then do the other side like this, but Oscar needs to leave, so I'm just gonna end this video here. The rest of that stuff we'll get done within the next couple of days. But a lot of you guys have requested bring this thing back. It's been a really long time. I really only had it on for a super short period of time.
Here, turn around. Because the background.
It's a little bit of a throwback of the top. I think it looks good because the whole car is gray, and it kind of gives a little bit of like a pop of color. Anyways, guys, that's going to be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Peace out.
regret.